In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your accountant on QuickBooks Online. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to manage your accounting team with ease and confidence. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to QuickBooks Online by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the QuickBooks website. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page and click on the Sign In button. You'll then be prompted to enter your email and password, which you'll do to access your account. After typing in your credentials, go ahead and hit sign in. Once you've successfully signed into your account, we'll make our way to the settings. This is where most of the managerial options are housed. In your dashboard, you'll find a gear icon, commonly known as settings, either in the top bar or side panel of your page. Give that a click and you'll notice several options appear. We're particularly interested in the Manage Users section, so go ahead and select that. Now that you're in the Manage Users area, look for the Accounting Firms tab. This is where you manage the accountants that have access to your QuickBooks Online account. Clicking on it, you'll see a list of accountants who currently have access to your accounting data. If it's time to say goodbye to your current accountant, click on the drop down next to their name. This action will reveal more options. Search for the delete option within this drop down menu. Select it, and a confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you're certain about removing this accountant. To proceed, click on delete again to finalize the removal process. It's important to remember that this step cannot be undone, so double check that you're removing the right person. With your previous accountant removed, it's time to invite a new one. You'll notice an invite button at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to start adding your new accountant. Here's where you'll enter their details. First, type in the new accountant's first name and then their last name. Make sure to spell these correctly to avoid any confusion later on. Next, carefully enter their email address, as this will be used to send them the invitation to join your QuickBooks account. After filling in all the necessary details, make sure to double check everything for accuracy. It's crucial that the information is correct to ensure smooth communication moving forward. Once you're satisfied, click on the Save button to send out your invitation. Your new accountant will receive an email with instructions on how to accept and access your QuickBooks Online account. And that's it. You've successfully changed your accountant on QuickBooks Online. Hope you found this tutorial helpful, and make sure to check back for more insightful tips and guides. Stay organized and happy accounting.